well known we're good friends and well known what we think of him as a coach and all of those kinds of things. He shouldn't be a conversation piece. Mike has got an opportunity here to win a Super Bowl, and he's got an opportunity to win other Super Bowls. Did I read that right? Yeah, an opportunity here to win a Super Bowl, an opportunity to win another Super Bowl. That's really the measurement of it, not just for me. Okay, I had to reread that twice there because that didn't totally make sense to me, but maybe RG3 can break it down for me in big swaggo. Hi, guys. Excited to talk a little bit of football. And Robert, I'm going to start with you. We're not even going to focus on that quote unless you want to decipher it, and you want to decipher it for me. But the question I want to ask you is, do you believe the Cowboys will be better or worse next season? And Stephen A's watching.
Well, Molly, to Stephen A's demise, right? I think the Cowboys will be better this year. And last year, they were pretty good, right? They were 12-5. Offense finished first in yards and points per game. Dak set a new franchise record for touchdown passes in the season with 37. And then, of course, Dan Quinn came in and turned that defense that was, league worst, gave up, I think, 473 points. And they led the league in turnovers last year with 34 turnovers and 26 interceptions. So the Cowboys have, for years now, they've always had ballers, shot callers, and the guys making a whole lot of dollars on their roster. They just have to win when it matters. And that's what Stephen A's calling card has been. He's made a living making fun of the Cowboys and making fun of Cowboys fans because at the end of the day, the Cowboys always seem to find a way to come up short. But what they got to do is stay healthy. They got to fix their offensive line. They need to feature Zeke and Tony Pollard more. And then, of course, win when it matters in the playoffs.
Well, you went into why I think they'll be worse, and it's because I don't know what this O-line is going to be, RG. Like, when you look at this team, right, we've talked about how much talent the Cowboys have had for the last 7 years, okay? Some people had them as far as winning the Super Bowl. Some people had them going deep into the playoffs. And as much as I get killed by Stephen A. and everybody about the Cowboys, the one thing they can't say is I don't tell the truth about them. And the truth is, to your point, it's about what games they win now. We know the Cowboys gonna win some games. They got a really good quarterback. They got great guys at skill positions. They got a young defensive player, Micah Parsons, who could be the best defensive player in the NFL this year, based on what he showed us his rookie year. He may be in that conversation as being the best player next year from a defensive standpoint. I know who else is out there. That's a conversation for another day. Here's the issue, though, RG3. Connor Williams left and departed to Miami. We know Tyron Smith he's missed games every single year for the last 3 or 4 years. Terrence Steele is going to come in and be the right tackle, who has not shown us that he can protect the quarterback consistently over time. So I get it. CeeDee Lamb, I think, is going to be a phenomenal talent. I believe he's the number one wide receiver, and he was going to ascend to that anyway. But ultimately, when you talk about up front, and where we thought this team could actually win a Super Bowl was built through their offensive line. And that is the biggest question that they have going into the season. So I'm just not ready to say, listen, maybe I'm being a little bit harsh saying they'll be worse. Let me say not sure. Because when you don't know what your offensive line is going to be, and it may have interchangeable pieces, you of all people playing quarterback should know that it is very hard to determine how good you can actually be when you have so many unknowns up front.
No doubt about it, Swagoo. And you and I both know this because we know ball, that when you try to build a team, you build it in the trenches first. The problem with the Cowboys was last year they had 7 different starting lineups up front due to injury. So even though the offensive line has always been like the strength of the team, all-pro guard Zach Martin said at the end of the year they got smacked in the mouth and they got to be better. So they ended up not bringing back some of those guys. But they did draft Tyler Smith from Tulsa, who's a guy who's going to play inside at guard and can possibly kick out to tackle to take Tyron Smith's spot whenever his time is done. But you're 100% right. The offensive line is an issue. And Molly, to try to interpret that quote for you,
yes, please.
Essentially Jerry Jones was saying that he loves Sean Payton and he likes Mike McCarthy. So at the end of the day, the Cowboys right now with Mike McCarthy and Dak Prescott, they are 6-9 against teams outside of the NFC East, and they haven't made it to the NFC Championship game since 1995. Now, I don't know about y'all. I was 5 years old then. And Dak was 2.
That hurt. That hurt me.
Mike McCarthy's got to win games and not just one playoff game. They've got to go on a run and legitimately be in the Super Bowl hunt for him not to get replaced by Sean Payton.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.